Location, location, location. Doesn't matter where you're buying in the world, Tokyo, Hong Kong, Bombay, Delhi, New York, or Silicon Valley. When you're buying a property, you have to make sure you got the right location. And this property happens to be right next to companies like Uber, Apple. You're right next to amazing schools, parks, great restaurants, shopping. Aliya, what do you think?
Absolutely, Eddie. This is a super cute 3-bedroom, 1-bath home, east facing, close to downtown Sunnyvale, which location is everything. It's fully updated. Got a new kitchen, new bathroom, a beautiful, cutely updated backyard with artificial turf. You really want to come take a look at this one.
Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 834 West Iowa Avenue in Sunnyvale. This beautifully remodeled east-facing 3-bedroom and 1-bath home offers modern updates and expansion potential in a prime Sunnyvale location. The home features a brand new kitchen complete with a coffee bar, new bathroom, and all new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. Recessed lighting enhances the bright open spaces, while the low-maintenance backyard with lush turf creates a perfect outdoor retreat. This property also includes a detached 2-car garage with ample storage and a long private driveway. The location is unbeatable, within walking distance to downtown Sunnyvale's Whole Foods, AMC Theater, Target, and the local library. High-tech companies like Uber, CrowdStrike, Apple, and Nvidia are just around the corner, offering the convenience of biking or walking to work. This home is situated near top-rated schools, including the acclaimed Homestead High School, and is just steps away from Washington Park. With a high walk score and close proximity to gyms, medical centers, the Caltrain, and Stratford Schools, this home offers the perfect blend of comfort and convenience in the heart of Silicon Valley. Don't miss this chance to see this fully upgraded gem, perfect for enjoying Sunnyvale living with room to grow.
Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you saw, it's a gorgeous property, a great opportunity. If you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll see you soon.